Hello everyone, Adam here. Today we're gonna talk about how to delete your Google account permanently. Not deactivate, delete. So there's two ways to delete it. But of course you can do this on your phone or smartphone or your PC. Just go to any browser and go to google.com and then sign in and go to your icon here and just manage your Google account. So the first way is just to go to search Google account and type delete. Delete your Google account. Enter your password. Here is your Google services. It's gonna show here. I only have Gmail, so it says I have 5 conversation. Here you can download your data. Here is an acknowledgement. Just hit yes and yes. I think you have 30 days before it got deleted permanently, and you can recover your account, your email or any service after 30 days. I think maybe it's more, maybe 40 days, 30 days, I don't know. You can search for it and just hit delete account. This is the first way. The second way is just go to it's gonna be here. So you go to manage your Google account, and then you go to data and privacy, scroll down here, delete your Google account. Same steps, same thing. So thank you everyone.